guys, time to look at the electrical side externally. So there's not a lot going on the outside, which is nice. So your battery will be on the outside here, unless you've optioned for an internal one, which is possible. But on this one, it's on the outside. What you will see as we look through here, so this is the whole 12-volt system, right? You've got big cables that run through here and go up into the van. And then a big isolator. So that isolator there, if we flick that off, it turns all 12 volt to the van off. So if you're storing it, you can just flick it off and you can isolate the battery. Here is an Anderson plug. So you can plug a portable solar in there if you want. It's got to be a regulated panel. All right, so that there runs straight to the battery via the shunt, meaning when you plug a solar panel in, it's got to have been regulated. Unregulated will not do anything. It's got to be regulated. Or you can plug a fridge into it. You can pull power from that. It's very versatile, which is great. So that is our 12-volt system there. As we just come up here, this is our 240 system. This is the inlet for the 240. You will need a 15-amp plug. Goes in nicely, and look at that, it's flush, so the weather can't get to it, which is nice. Under here is our circuit breakers. Now, not everyone is going to have an inverter. This van has an inverter. A lot of people have them these days. But let's just go through this one, and then I will talk about if it doesn't have one. These are your two circuit breakers. So alternate supply, that is our inverter one. Normal supply, that is just the normal 240 coming in. Now, if they need to be in this position, which is up, that means it's going to let the 240 go in. Now, if I press the test button, which is there, you see it drops down. That means that we have power coming here, runs into there, and then it can drop. Now, let me show you this. If I pull the power out, it does nothing. So it's a good test for you guys when you're out in the field as well, that if you ever 240 goes off in your van, how do you check? The first thing, if you ring me, I'm going to tell you, go here, press that button, see if it trips on or off. Normally it doesn't, and normally it's power going in there that's the problem. This one here, the inverter, all right, same thing. If the inverter's on, we press that, it drops down. So how these systems work is 240 comes in, goes to here, goes through the inverter, comes back here, and then from there, it goes to all your points in the caravan. So if nothing's working in the van, this may be dropped down like so. So it's something to look at. Always come around, check that. So that's our 240 circuit breakers. If you don't have an inverter, it's simply just have one and all the same rules apply. So you just have one breaker here, same thing. That's the electrical part of the van on the outside.